Hey everybody, this is our 1967 Bolero Red Camaro convertible. Car has a 327, 210 horse, 2-speed power glide. Gorgeous Bolero Red paint. It's been completely restored from top to bottom in every way. It was in a private collection. Gentleman had some health issues and we bought it. Interior is phenomenal. She starts easy and runs down the road smooth. It's a beautiful car, inside and out. All the dash is painted nice. The inside, look at the detail in this engine bay. Crazy how nice this car is. Smooth, absolutely stunning. Just purrs like a kitten. From the factory, she came Bolero Red with a white convertible top and this black deluxe interior. I had my guys do a little magic and put the top down while I was under the engine bay. It's a manual top and it just goes down nice and easy by hand. It's got all new weather strip, top's been restored. Really nicely done car. It's got the top boot here that snaps into place. The interior is absolutely gorgeous. I think the only thing left that's original is the steering wheel and probably the dash pad. And it's got a small, minute amount of fine line cracking at the top. The deluxe interior, what we call the pinstripe suit, or tuxedo interior, looks amazing. The deluxe door panels look great, all the paint in the jams, all new weather strip. Now this car was restored a few years ago, but it's just been sitting in a collection. So there's hardly any miles on the restoration, and it's in amazing condition. There's the van. Column shift, deluxe interior, Bolero Red, white top convertible, 67 Camaro. I'll tell you, this is the stuff that dreams are made of right here. Beautiful car, runs and drives excellent. This is one of those that you can put your wife in and go drive around, or take the family out on Saturday and go cruising. We're at redlinemusclecars.com or call Fred at 580-221-4326. Thanks. Y'all have a blessed day.